Hello everyone, myself Durai SK, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science from PPG College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to travel through the fascinating history of Python programming language. Okay, one thing before we start, answer this question in comments. Okay, which programming language do you think is most popular for AI and machine learning? Option A is C, and option B Java, option C Python, and D Gopal. Keep your answer in your mind. Okay, let's begin. Yeah, so Python history in 5 minutes. Okay, the birth of Python. Origin and creation. Did you know Python was created during Christmas vacation? In 1989, a Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum started developing Python at the Dutch Research Institute called Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica. Right? CWI, 1989. Right? He wanted to programming language that was easy to read and easy to learn and powerful enough for real projects. Okay, then one interesting question: who created Python? Pause the video and answer in your comment box. So okay, then why it is called Python? Naming inspiration. Yeah, many people think Python is named after a snake. It was inspired by a British comedy show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Guido wanted a short, unique and memorable name, so that's why he chose it. Okay. Then, before watching this video, did you think Python was named after snake? Type yes or no in your comment box. Okay. Then, coming to the versions, Python's first release. The first version of Python was released in 1991. Functions and modules, exception handlings, and classes it already supported, right? Which means Python was powerful even in its early days. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guess the year. Option A 1985, 1991, 1999, 2005. Okay. So which year Python was developed? Put in your comment box. Right. Then Python 1 was released in 1994. A major improvements and community growth. Then Python 2.0, its version of 2.0, added a garbage collection and list of comprehensions. Then coming to the Python 3.0 major redesign to make a Python cleaner and more consistent. Okay, in 2008. Right. Okay. Next. Yeah. Just interactive timeline challenge. Right. Okay. I tell the version of Python. You put the answer in your comment box. Okay. Match the versions. Right. Okay. Python 1. Stop the video. Pause the video and answer in your comment box. Then second one, Python 2.0. Then Python 3.0. Right. Okay. I hope all of you done it. Right. Then Python today today Python is used in a lot of areas, right? In artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, web development, automation, and robotics, etc. etc. Many leading organizations used Python, including Google, Netflix, Spotify, and Instagram. Right. I hope all of you understood. Okay. Quick question. One quick question. Which field would you like to use Python for? AI, data science, web development, cybersecurity, or any other field? Comment your choice below. Right. Okay. I started a final quiz, like a rapid fire. Who created a Python? First question. Comment in your box. Yeah, absolutely right. Guido van Rossum. Okay, second question. In which years was Python first released? Yeah, already we know that. It will take only 10 seconds. Yeah, 1991. Absolutely right. Then, third question. What inspired the name of Python? It's not a snake. What is it? Yeah, absolutely right. Monty Python's Flying Circus. Okay. Which version was released in 2008? Python 1 or Python 2 or Python 3? Yeah, absolutely right. Python 3. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you scored 4 by 4, comment Python historian. Okay. If you learned something new today, like, share, and subscribe for more interactive programming lessons. See you in next video. Thank you guys.